Did you know it's absolutely realistic to make $2,000 a month to $20,000 a month in profit on Amazon? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to show you how to sell on Amazon and how to build a profitable online business. I'm also going to show you how to private label a product so you don't have to invent something new. Essentially, what we're going to do is find a product that's already profitable and selling on Amazon. We're going to find some suppliers who are already producing the product that you want, then put your label and packaging on the product and get it sent over to Amazon. And Amazon will take care of the rest for you. Amazon will store, pick, pack, and deliver the product for you. They even take care of customer service for you. In fact, they even have their own marketing platform on Amazon to support you to sell your product as quickly as possible so you start making money. This business is absolutely awesome. So let's jump into a simple overview of how you can build a profitable online business. But quickly before we get into that, if you don't know, this is your FBA star Vic, welcoming all new FBA stars to the channel. Make sure you smack that subscribe button and hit that little bell icon so you know when I'm releasing new videos. Let's jump straight in. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to Amazon Seller Central. You want to make sure that you're actually able to sign up to Amazon Seller Central and start selling on their platform. So you come over here and you hit start selling and you will be offered two options, the professional account and the individual account. Whichever account you go for, you're able to upgrade and downgrade at any time. I would strongly advise, just to make sure that you're able to sell, is start off with the professional account. Don't worry, you'll be charged once, but you will be refunded that money. Downgrade to the individual account so that you know you're able to sell on Amazon. So that's step one, already done. The next step, what we want to do is check and find the product that's already selling on Amazon and making money. So how do we do that? We head over to a platform called Jungle Scout. And if you don't have Jungle Scout, make sure you hit the link in the description that will take you straight to this web page. Now there's two parts to Jungle Scout that you will need. One would be the extension and one would be the web application. The web application essentially allows you to search all of Amazon's database and their website for products that are suited to what you are looking for with your pre-defined criteria, and I'm going to show you that right now. The other piece is the Chrome extension, which allows you to analyze the products on a specific page, shows us how much money they're actually making and whether it's worth actually us pursuing that specific product. So if you're looking to go to the Chrome extension, make sure you get the light version. At the moment, it's $77. It used to be $97, which is what I paid. So get the $77 version. It's a one-time fee. That's all you need. Now, when it comes to the web app, all you need is the cheapest version over here, which is the startup version. Now, the startup version is $29 a month. But what I would say is once you found your product, you can cancel that subscription. You don't need it anymore. So let me quickly show you how to use the Jungle Scout web app, and then I'll show you how to use the Chrome extension to find that product, to start that Amazon business. So here we are on the Jungle Scout web app, and what you can see is we can select the categories that are within Amazon over here. Now, I've already made a video on this. It's one of my first videos, so go and check that video out. It'll tell you all about why I chose these categories in a little bit more detail. But these are the categories that I'm going to pick, and the filters that I'm going to use is to sell above $15. So we want to find products that are selling above $15 so we can add value in some shape or form and sell it for $20 or more. Now the next one is the revenue right over here. So we want to make sure that the product that we're selling is making in excess of $7,000 to $10,000 a month. So we are generating a decent amount of profit. Now the next section over here, which is the reviews. The reviews, we need to make sure that they are less than 50. So it is easy for us to actually come in, enter the market and compete with these players. Now, the other piece that I want to make sure that you're completely aware of is the weight. Now, the lower the weight or the smaller the product as well, the cheaper it will be to sell on Amazon and the cheaper it will be to actually ship it over. So I've put in here £4. So we want a product that's selling for $15 or more. Revenue or sales is $7,000 or more. The reviews are less than 50. And the weight is less than £4. Now remember, you can always play around with these numbers. This is just a specific quick overview example so you can see how this works and how quick I can actually find a product. Now let's scroll down and see what we can find. So once you hit the search button, you will find all of these products will come up. And what you want to do is you just want to open up some of these products. You want to click on these links and bring them up. So let's scroll down and let me see if I can find something that really stands out and catches my eye. So this is something that I would look at as well. So for example, this is selling for $51. It seems unlikely, but $51, you want to look into that. It only weighs 3 pounds, 31 reviews, and they're making $18,716, which is fantastic. Right, let's keep on scrolling, and what we can see here is, whoa, okay. So this looks huge, and this is something we want to look at. This is a 12-pack heavy-duty plastic table cover tablecloth. So they're selling it for $18.99. It weighs 3 pounds and 85. There's only 6 reviews. They are selling 3,343 every single month, and they're generating a revenue of $63,000, $483. Sorry, $64,000, let's say. And they've got other products over here, as you can see. That's almost $70,000, $60,000, $66,000 over here, and so on and so forth. So what we want to do is we want to analyze this product a little bit. So all we do is we would open up this product here, and we would see what's going on. Okay, so as we can see, there's 6 customer reviews. It's within the price range that we're looking for. It looks pretty easy in terms of the lightweight, in terms of the size. So we want to analyze this product further. So all we would do is we'd take plastic table covers or plastic tablecloth. So let's open up a new tab. Let's go to Amazon.com. And we will type in plastic table, let's see what comes up first, and go with plastic tablecloth. Now, as you can see on the top right, there's 4,000 results, which is pretty low, which means we can come in and compete. And what we want to do is we have a quick look to check that these are the right products that we're looking at, which is fine. And then this is the section where we use the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and you will find all of the information that you need for this page, and we're going to discover whether this is the product that we actually want to go for. So the next thing that we want to do is run the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and what you can see is that the Jungle Scout Chrome extension actually provides us with all of the information that we need for every single product on this page. So it tells us the revenue, the sales that they're making every single month, the price that they're selling for. We can even hover over these and find out what the product actually is. But what we want to look for, this is the thing we want to start looking at first. We want to make sure that the reviews are less than 100, ideally under 50 if possible, but let's see what we can find. So as we can see here, the first product at the top is less than 100 reviews. They're making $57,000 a month, but it doesn't meet the criteria of price. So let's move on to the next product over here. As you can see, the criteria of price is still not good. The reviews are still high on this one. And let's scroll down and find something that meets our criteria. So this looks like the product that we were looking at initially. So there's 19 reviews on this specific one. They're generating $59,000 a month, and they're selling it for $16.99. So what we want to do here is we kind of want to replicate this product a little bit. We want to look a little bit deeper into this product and analyze this page. Now, I've created a free ebook for you, which is the 5 rules to find a profitable product, to build a profitable business on Amazon. I've got a link in the description. All you need to do is put in your name and email address, and that will get sent straight to your email inbox. So make sure you click the link in the description and grab your free copy now. So it's really easy and simple to try and replicate this product and do the exact same thing that this person has done. But if we do that, there's no point, because there's going to be more and more people coming into the market and selling the exact same thing. You don't want to be that person. What you want to do is find the way where you can add value to the customer. If you can add value to the customer in a significant way, I promise you, you will make money. So how do you go about doing that? There are several different ways. You can either bundle this product with another product that customers are buying that's relative to this product. You can improve on the product itself. So what you can see here is the review rating is 4.5. So you could actually open this product up, and you can go into the reviews over here and go and find out exactly what is wrong with this product. What are people complaining about, and what do they really love? Now, I would instantly assume that it's either not thick enough or big enough, or the size is too big, or they want something larger than a 12 pack, or they might want a different color. So I would check the reviews for all of these different products and find out what the customer actually wants. Once you do that, you know exactly what the customer wants and you will be able to provide that to the customer. So now that we found the product that we want to go for, so let's say we are going for this product, the 12 pack heavy duty plastic tablecloth, which is pretty much exactly the same as this. We need to find the supplier that's going to help us sell this product and make a profitable business. So there's one question I want to ask you. Is this process simple enough for you? Is it making sense? Is it straightforward? If it is, please write star in the description so I know that you are following along. Right, let's go and find some suppliers. So the next thing we want to do is go to Alibaba.com. And within Alibaba.com, we want to type in plastic table, let's see what comes up, plastic table cover. So once we do that, a bunch of suppliers will come up, and as you can see, there's tons of plastic cloths that we could get in contact with these suppliers and find out the best price for us. So all we would do is get in contact with all of these suppliers. Oh, and make sure you hit the trade assurance button. Now, I've already made a video on exactly how to get in contact with suppliers to find the best suppliers and get the absolute best prices. So make sure you check that video out. I've also included a free supplier template for you so you can download that and get moving. So make sure you check out that video. So what we would do is we would get in touch with these suppliers and get the prices that we're looking for and find out what sizes they are and get the information that we need. So the next thing from here is to actually get the shipping cost. So we really need to understand how much is it going to really cost us to ship this product over to the USA, UK, or wherever you're about to sell it. Now the website that I use, and I've tried multiple different places, called up multiple different suppliers in terms of shipping to try and find the best prices. By far, Freightos, some people pronounce it, is the absolute best in terms of price, is what I found, and customer service. And I think it's vital, especially as a beginner, that you have a partner who is able to give you great customer service, support you along the way, and be a part of your business. So all you would need to do is log on to the Freightos website, come onto this page over here where you'd get a quote, click on to ship to Amazon FBA. So as you can see, they are specific in terms of supporting you, getting your product shipped over, getting it through import duty and import tax, and the customs, and getting it to the Amazon warehouse, getting it all shipped and booked in and sorting it all out for you. So what you would do is from the information that you gain from the supplier, you'd put all of that information in here and a list of prices will pop up. It'll also tell you how long it will take to get your product from the supplier to Amazon's warehouse. So once you've got that information, you're now able to move over to the next step and find out whether this product is actually going to be profitable for you and whether you should move forward with this product. So the next step is to go to the Amazon profit calculator or the Amazon revenue calculator and put in the information over here, and it will show you whether you're actually going to make any money or not. So what we would do is we would find the product that we're looking to sell on Amazon. So you would take this number over here, which is called the ASIN number. So you copy that number. If you don't have that information, you can actually scroll down over here and find the ASIN number over here. So make sure you copy that information, go over to the revenue calculator and paste it in here and search. And Amazon will bring up that product and will know exactly how much it costs to sell the product inclusive of their fees. Now all we need to put in is the price of the product. So the price is currently being sold for $18.99. So we will put $18.99. Let's say each single product costs $1 to ship over, which usually is reasonable. And let's say we got the product for $1 as well as an example. Then all we would do is hit calculate. Now, as you can see here, it shows us all the Amazon fees that we would be going to pay, which is to sell on Amazon Marketplace, the referral fees and the closing fees, which is $2.85, and the fulfillment fees from Amazon as well. So what you can see over here is that we're going to make a margin of 40%, which is really good, and I strongly advise that we always stay over 30%, and a net profit after all of the costs is going to be $7.62. So every time you sell a product, you will get $7.62. Now let's multiply that by how many we think you would be selling a month. So let's say, for example, we would sell 600 a month. That would, let's move me out of the way for a second. That would give us a profit, a net profit over here of $4,572 every single month. Now, how do I know that we could sell 600? Well, let's go back to the information that we found over here. So when we were looking at this product over here, we could see that they were selling over 3,476. And we've really lowballed it by putting 600. And we would be generating just in the region of $4,572. Now, this is a profitable product. This is an absolutely profitable product. It's definitely an area that we can compete in. And if you needed help on analyzing this information further to check whether these products are right for you, make sure you download that ebook that I've put a link in the description for you. It's free. The next step here is to get back in contact with your supplier, order your product, get it shipped over to Amazon using your shipping over here, which is Freightos or Freightos. And then you need to make sure that you create an absolutely compelling and fantastic listing that is going to be better than this one to sell to your customers. So they will come onto your product page, they will look at your product, they will see all of the information, some amazing, beautiful pictures of it being used, how it can be used, more information over here, and you will beat your competitors. So the final step, which is step number 7, is to set up a high converting listing. So I'm going to make a video separate to that because it will make this video really, really long. So make sure you watch out for that video coming out in the next week or so. So let me know, are you really wanting to change your life and start an Amazon business? Is this something that you're thinking about? Well, let me know in the top right hand section of this video. Just click yes or no. I really want to understand, is this something that you're interested in? Are you going to change your life? Are you going to start an Amazon business? Is this something that you're thinking about? And lastly, I want to invite you to our Amazon FBA Facebook group, the FBA Stars Facebook group, where we are growing massively and we want you to join our team. So I will see you in the next video and on the other side in the Facebook group. I will see you soon.